Guys, this is Dinesh. Welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to deploy smart contract in Oasis via Testnet. So just create a new wallet on the MetaMask or Rabi wallet. So in my case, I'm going to use Rabi wallet only. So sometimes MetaMask has some issues, so I'm using Rabi wallet. So first you need to create a new wallet and to get faucet first. So I'll give this link in the description. Just go here and climb the faucet. First you need to climb Cephalia faucet. Just right click it and open link in new tab. Okay. So once you came here, you have to select Web3 faucet. So if you have Gitcoin passport score, you can just go here and submit your wallet and claim the faucet with proof of work faucet. So some people have no Gitcoin passport score, so you can just use this faucet. Just right click and open it. You have to choose Ethereum Sepolia and then paste the address, your new wallet address. Just click receive 0.5 Sepolia ETH. Okay, testnet tokens are on the way, and then you have to come back here. This is the Oasis Sapphire testnet faucet link. Just select the Sapphire and then paste the address, same address. Just click I am not a robot. Request test tokens. Fund will be credited in Foyer. Just open this page. Okay, now you have collected the faucet, and then next step is you have to open the remix page. Just right click it and open link in new tab. Just go here. On the left side you can see file explorer, on the right side you can see workspace. Just click it, click the clone, and you have to paste all the commands. Just watch the video slowly, don't urge yourself, because if you made any single mistake, you can't able to deploy the smart contract. So first you need to watch this video until the end, then you can just slowly play the video and complete the task. Okay, so or else you can just do the task simultaneously while watching this video. Just slow down. Okay, let me share you all the details. So first you have to copy this code, copy this URL. Just click copy, come here, just paste it, and then click OK. Once it done, come here and the next step is set up the compiler configuration. Just copy this. On the left side you can see here Solidity compiler. Just click it, choose the 0.8.24, and the bottom, come here, click this, click change, just Control V, click enter, done. And then come back here, and the next step is select the token authority Solidity file. You have to go to the explorer, just click smart contract, remix IDE, contract, token authority. Just come here, go to the Solidity compiler again, check if you have 0.8.24, just recheck it once, and then you can check that we have already set up this compiler. So just click compile token. Okay, fine, it has been compiled. So next step is don't worry, these are all normal errors only, you don't need to worry about that. So next step is just go here. Okay, you have to deploy the transaction. So just below the compiler you have to click this icon, go here. You need to connect to a Rabi wallet or MetaMask, it's your wish. In my case I'm using Rabi wallet only. So this is the last address. You can just confirm the address DC9. So my wallet address is DC9. Okay, and then in the bottom you have to owner address here. Just copy your wallet address, paste it here, and then go here and change the network. Hmm. Okay, just click deploy, sign the transaction, confirm it. Okay guys, now transaction completed. Contract has been created here. You can see the contract address. Okay, and just copy this and save this in the notepad. Okay, and the next step, Okay, we need to verify the contract. So just click the plug icon, go here, search, verify. Just click the activate button. In my case, I already activated. So once it's done, you have to click this contract verification icon. Here you need to select the chain OASIS. So this is the testnet we need to choose 23295. These are all the testnet ID, chain ID. So you have to choose very carefully. And then you have to paste the contract address which you have already deployed. Just to paste it here. And then you have to choose token authority contract name. Let me show you here for the confirmation. So here we need to paste the wallet address. Just go and copy your wallet address, paste it here, and scroll down. Just verify that this checkbox is already tick. So and then we need to click verify. Just give it little time. Okay, it's verified. And the next step is scroll down, and then we need to copy this address. Uh, Go to the new tab, paste it, and then we need to paste the contract address which already we created. Just go here and copy this contract address and paste it. Just paste it, click enter. Fine. We got our contact token authority address and the contact data here. So just keep this tab open, don't close it. Okay, just keep this tab open. Come back to this. And the next step is we have to click sample.sol. Okay, here track sample.sol. Just compile it. Fine, compiled, and then click the deploy option. Here you can just need to change the network to MetaMask Sepolia. So we have to change the network here. Just open your Rabi wallet or MetaMask wallet, change the network to Sepolia testnet, and then you need to just verify here. If you have changed it, it will show you like this. So change the network, and then you need to paste the public key, and you have to change the contract name here. So the contract name is sample here. Just click it. We need to paste the public key of the contract. We have already deployed it. Here you can see this is the public key. Just copy this on the Linux, paste it here, deploy it. This time we have to pay the fees in Sepolia test network. Just to confirm it. Okay, wait for the transaction to get completed. Okay, it has been completed. Okay, so here you can just click it and see here the contract has created already. Just copy this and paste it in the notepad. Sepolia contract. So the next step is we need to verify the contract. So go here, the contract verification, and check the verify button here. Here you need to search Ethereum testnet Sepolia and then contract address. Go here and copy this, paste it. And the next step is okay. Here we need to choose sample. Just click it and search for the sample here. The sample and then token authority public key, which was already copied from here. Just copy that, paste it, and then you need to do something here. Just click the settings. Here you can see that API, Ethereum Sepolia API. You need to enter this API key. So for that, you have to go to the Etherscan website. So for that, you have to go to this link. Just right click it and open a new tab. Here you can see the Etherscan link. Just right click and open it. You have to sign up first. On the right side, you can see that here you can see this is my account. Just right click and sign up, all the details enter here, and then you have to click it. Just click my profile. Left side you have to choose the API dashboard, and then here you can create up to 3 API. Just click the add API and then copy this API. Okay, just copy it and come back to the remix. Here just click edit, paste the icon and then come back to verify. Here you have to just verify once that this checkbox has clicked. Checkbox has ticked already. So then you need to paste the token public key, which is for here. Just copy this and paste it. Okay, next just click verify. Give it little time. It will take around 1 minute or something like that. It has verified already. So the next step is you have to register the contract. Just right click this and open in a new tab. Here you can just click register smart contract. Sorry, just right click and open link in new tab. Here you can see to click this connect wallet option. Just connect your wallet and then click register. You need to fill the smart contract Sepolia contract address, which we have already saved it here. Just control C, paste it. We need kernel ID. Use 337. Enter. On the bottom, we have to paste the Sapphire Testnet token authority address. For this, we need to go here and this is the token address. Just copy this, come back here, just paste it, click activate, confirm, validate, register smart contract. Just confirm the transaction. Wait for a little while. Okay, the contract is registered. Go to the detail page. Here you can see the smart contract ID 2629. Okay, next we need to register the DApp. Just click the DApp section and then click register. We need to register ID 2689. Just click and then activate it, confirm it, register the DApp, sign the transaction, wait for a while. Okay, we have registered the DApp, and the next step is okay, we need to keep this data very safely. Go to the detail page. Just keep this page open. Don't close any tabs. Okay. So just keep this tab open. And the next step is just right click and open in a new tab. First, we need to connect your wallet and switch the network to Sepolia. And then you have to choose template 10 minutes tutorial. You need to paste the smart contract address here. The smart contract address is Sepolia address. Just copy that, paste it here, and then entry ID access token. So for this, we need to copy this entry ID, paste it, just delete this and paste it, and then click get access token, copy this, select it, paste it, and then we need to copy this, control C, just copy it, click execute kernels, wait little bit. Okay, fine. And then come to the bottom, paste the sandbox texting, this just it's a keyword. Click submit transaction, sign the transaction, confirm it. Transaction is created, waiting for transaction to complete. Okay guys, transaction completed. You can check the transaction, just go to the Rabi wallet. Just go to the transaction. Here you can see the last transaction success. So that's it guys, we have successfully deployed the contract and registered the DF and all the sections. So here you can see we have completed all the tasks. Congratulations, you have successfully deployed a smart contract in this Apollo test network. So that's it guys. If you feel this video is helpful, just give a like, so it will encourage myself to post more videos. So thanks for watching.